The Great Gatsby, Chapter 7, Pop Quiz. What does Tom discover about Daisy during this chapter? She is having an affair? She was born poor? Or she knows about his affair with Myrtle? Why is Wilson ill when Tom sees him? Fear of Gatsby's hatred, impending business bankruptcy, or discovery of his wife's affair? What truth does Tom reveal about Gatsby? Gatsby isn't actually rich? Gatsby is a bootlegger? Or Gatsby changed his real name? Ultimately, who does Daisy say she loves? Tom? Gatsby? Both Tom and Gatsby. Who is driving the car that kills Myrtle? Daisy? Tom? Or Gatsby? What's different about Gatsby's house in this chapter? There are no more parties? He painted it white? Or he emptied the swimming pool? Before traveling into the city, where does the group have lunch? Gatsby's house? Nick's house? Or Tom and Daisy's house? Who drives Gatsby's car to New York City? Gatsby? Tom? Or Daisy? Who owns the car that hit Myrtle? Wilson? Tom? Or Gatsby? What does Gatsby do after the accident? He calls the police? He goes to the hospital? Or he drives away with Daisy? Why did Gatsby fire all of his servants? He didn't need them anymore. They were gossiping about his affair with Daisy? Or he planned on moving out of West Egg? Which of Daisy's family members does Gatsby meet for the first time? Her sister, her daughter, or her mother? How long ago was it that Gatsby and Daisy first met? 5 years? 3 years? Or 1 year? Who encourages Wilson to pull it together after Myrtle's death? Gatsby, Tom, or Nick? What is the weather throughout this chapter? Extremely hot? Intensely storming? Or surprisingly chilly? How many did you get right? Check your grade.